You may have to remove the front bumper of your S550 Mustang for a variety of reasons, including custom headlights or a custom grille. So today we're going to show you the basics of how to remove the bumper on the 2018 through 2023 Mustang. First step in removing the bumper cover is to remove this radiator cover. It's held on by 8 of these little push pins. Grab pliers, small screwdriver, simply pull up on the middle, and lift up, pop the pin out. Well, it clips out, put the panel aside. Now with the radiator cover off, we can see the front of the bumper. Basically, we've got these 6 larger screws here, and then 2 smaller ones on the ends. Now we go to remove the bumper, there's gonna be 5 of these little alignment tabs. What we'll do is kind of pull it off them, but for now we're gonna leave it on until everything else is disconnected, and then we can lift the bumper off. The next part of the removal process is gonna be underneath the car. We're gonna remove the belly pan, which actually will stay attached to the bumper. This is held on by some screws and push pins. There's 6 screws, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then a couple push pins on the ends. These pins will move just like the ones on the radiator cover. Pull the center out, just pull it down. Now the next clips are going to be in the wheel wells. These 2 right here. One will be the same style, and the other one you'll want to use a flathead screwdriver. Now at this point, I'm going to pull the splash shield back to get to the bolts that hold the fender to the bumper. Now some people actually prefer to go under the hood and do this, so I'm going to show you that way as well. Me, I prefer the fender well, but both ways will work. So you can access them right through here. Now the reason I don't do this is I have large hands. I can get my hand in there, but it's kind of painful to get to. So I usually don't go that direction. If you go up from outside, you can use extensions and swivels and other things. But again, we'll show you right where they are. If this way's easier for you, by all means do it. Now in the wheel well, we got to pull the splash shield back. It's going to be a push pin down here, and then 2 more, 1 here and 1 in here. Now these here are very simple. You just push in the middle and it'll pop right out. This one you're not going to be able to see, but again, just push the middle and it'll fall right out. So at this point, the only thing holding it on is going to be 2 brackets that are held in place by 10mm bolts. You're going to pull the splash shield back carefully. And you can see there's 1 here and another one right behind it. A couple turns, you can remove it by hand. At this point, there's just a little Christmas tree clip. Just give the bumper a little tug, and it'll come right down. And the last thing you want to do is reach inside up in here, disconnect the parking light harness, just push down the clip, pull it off, and then repeat the process on the other side. So at this point, the only thing holding the bumper on is going to be those little alignment pins I showed you earlier. So all we're going to do is just pick it up off of those and remove the bumper. So that's the process for removing the bumper on your 2018 through 2023 Mustang. Now, 15 through 17, exact same process, just the fender bracket to the bumper is just slightly different. Now your bumper's off, install whatever you have to do, put it all back together, and you'll be back on the road in no time.